Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. In today's video, we're gonna talk about fee settings. So in this series, so far we talked about our sell ticket add-on. This is a sell ticket related video as well. So suppose you have a website where you listing events and selling tickets for them. Sometime you wanna manage fee settings for the events you have in your website. That's exactly what we're gonna do today. We need to go inside WooCommerce, then into the settings. So inside WooCommerce settings, on the right hand side, you will see something called fees. So we're going to switch to this tab. Firstly, let me explain this all settings over here we have. So first we have our toggle button that says enable fee processing. So in this way, we enable the actual fee processing feature for our sell tickets add-on. Then we have our default fee. Then we have our default fee label. Then we have our maximum fee, and we have our default fee mode, and at last we have our fee type. Later on I'll come back to this table over here. What's this country code, fee mode, and this insert new rule and remove selected rule is. So firstly we have the enable fee processing. As I said, this enables the actual fee processing logic for the sell ticket add-on. Then we have our default fee. Here we need to enter some numerical or float values for our default fee value. Here is some example. And then we have default fee label. So wherever this default fee value appears, this default fee label, this string over here called fee, will appear as the default label. Then we have our maximum fee. So that's our maximum fee limit. Then we have our default fee mode. We have two options over here. One is fee per order. One is fee per ticket. This is pretty much self-explanatory. We have fee per order. We can charge fee per order, or we can charge fee per ticket. Then we have our fee type. We have our fixed fee, or we have percentage. So how this works, fixed fee, it will charge the defined value on default fee as fee amount, or otherwise what we can do, we can set it to percentage. Imagine we have default fee is 2, and whatever the value of the order is, if we choose fee per order, that values 2% will be the fee. Or if we choose per ticket, then what's going to happen, whatever the amount the ticket worth, that amount's 2% will be the fee. So that's out of the way. Now let's come to this table section over here. So in here we can add rule specific to some countries. Suppose you wanna like separate fee rules for two different countries for some reason, that we can do from here. What we can do, we can click on insert new rule. In here we need to type ISO country codes. So that's 2-digit country code. You can always Google for the country code. So as an example, for United States it will be US, for United Kingdom it will be UK, or suppose for France it will be FR, or for India it will be IN. And then we have fee mode. So I already explained what fee mode is. We have two options, fee per order and fee per ticket. We have fee, we have maximum fee, we have the fee label and fee type. So all the details above us are replicated into this table, but with an extra field called country code. Whenever we enter a country code over here and save changes, so what it's going to do, it's going to override the fee structure or the fee settings if the user browsing the website matches this country code. So let's remove this entry. Enable fee processing. Let's save changes. Now we're gonna go to front end side to see how fees looks like in the front end. Previously we purchased some tickets without fees in this website. Now let's purchase some tickets with fees. Let's go to this event. In here we have just a single ticket. This ticket we added via WooCommerce into this event. Feel free to check our previous video out to find out how we did that. So we have a premium ticket. Let's buy just one ticket. So at our cart page, we see our product is added over here with our product name, price, quantity and subtotal. So below that on cart totals, we have our subtotal, that's quantity x price. So that's $100. Then fee is equal to $2. We set default fee value to 2 and it's set to percentage. So if we set it to fixed fee as well, but it's not going to make any difference. Since 100 bucks, 2% is $2 anyway. I'll give you a better demonstration, just wait. But coming back to our topic, since we set default fee value to 2, we have the 2 percentile fee over here. So that's 2. And we have our grand total, right? Now what we can do, let's change this to 5. Let's set it to fixed fee. So this is fee per ticket. Let's set it to fee per order. I'll show you what different combination we can try here, right? And now let's reload this page. As we said, default fee to 5 and it's fixed fee. So that's $5 and fee per order. Now what we can do, let's update this quantity to 2 and let's update the cart. So now we have subtotal of $200, but the fee is still $5 since it's fixed and default fee is 5 and it's per order. So now we can change this to percentage and save changes. Now if we reload this page, and now we see our fee is $10. Since we set this to fee type to percentage, so what happened? So the 5% of these $200 is $10. So now we have a grand total up to 10. So next what we can do, let's come over here. Let's set it to fixed fee and let's set it to fee per ticket. Save changes. And let's reload this page. And then let's decrease the quantity to 1. Now we have a single ticket worth $100 and our fee is $5 since it's fixed value to 5 and we have one ticket, so it's $5 over here and we have a grand total of 105. Now let's set it to 3. Let's update the cart, and as we can see we have a subtotal of 300, and since our quantity is 3, so that's 3 ticket, 3x 5 is 15. We have our fee as $15, so that's a grand total of 315. So I hope this gave you a basic idea how this fee structure works and how you can fiddle around with it to get your perfect combination for your website. In our previous videos we showed you how you can configure sell ticket such way so the user has to pay the fee alongside with the ticket price, or the organizer has to pay the fee but user pays only the ticket price. So feel free to play around all these settings and let us know in the comment what you think. So being that said, I'm Sharad signing off. Thank you for coming along and I'll catch you in the next one.